Members of the Vermont Air National Guard stepped off base and into the forest this afternoon, all to learn about ticks and mosquitoes. They're doing this to better understand how insect data is collected, and so they know how to protect themselves whenever and wherever they may be deployed. I went into the woods with them to get an exclusive look at their new training.
We don't tend to do this a lot, so I think it's important for them to kind of maintain and refresh that type of training.
A group of airmen and airwomen with the Vermont Air National Guard weren't on base or in the sky Tuesday afternoon. Instead, they were here in a small, swampy, wooded area of South Burlington, capturing mosquitoes and their larvae.
There are some pathogens that are carried by ticks and mosquitoes in Vermont that can make people and livestock sick.
Patty Casey with the Vermont Agency of Agriculture's Environmental Surveillance Program hosted the service members, saying one of them reached out to her earlier this month asking for the training. That service member was Gina Hall from the Vetane Medical Group, who says her unit studies the weekly mosquito population and disease data posted by the Agency of Ag, but wanted to see and help collect it in person.
Unfortunately, as a Guard unit, it's kind of difficult to maintain a surveillance program. So we rely a lot on the state data. And I reach out to Patty to show my airmen, we grab that data, but how is that data collected? Why is it important for us?
Although some of the airmen and women are already trained on how to trap insects, Hall says it's important for them to get this additional experience, knowing the diseases that some bugs can carry. While Vermont is generally a low-risk part of the world for deadly mosquito-borne illnesses, the leaders note last year was the worst on record for EEE in Vermont, and they say understanding prevention tactics could be crucial if members are deployed to other, more dangerous countries.
We need to take care of our airmen locally and also OCONUS, which means, out of the states.
Casey and Hall both hope this session can turn into a permanent partnership between Vetane and the Agency of Ag in the future, making sure all airmen and women get this hands-on knowledge before going out to defend our country.